What's up, everybody? Do you want people to ask you after 1 month how you got so ripped even without going to the gym? You have no equipment, you do not go to the gym, but I've got you covered with these simple 8 moves. Each of them will be performed for 45 seconds with a 15-second break just to catch your breath. Let's get started. The first one is in and outs. Ready? Okay, this was done for 45 seconds. We are going to take a short, quick break of 15 seconds. Coming up next is star crunch. Let's get ready for that. I think 15 seconds are up, and I'm starting with the star crunch. I do feel my core was definitely engaged here. 15 seconds. Next is burpees. Let's get ready for that. How are you feeling? I hope you are working out as I am working out. That's the sole purpose of watching this video. Let's get started. I think this is going to be the most exhausting move of this entire set. I need a break. Counting only 15 seconds. Okay. The next is bicycle crunches, and let's get into the position now. Try to drive your elbow all the way to your knee and feel the burn on your upper abdominal muscles. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this. Okay, our next move is going to be high knees. I'm catching my breath and I'll start right away. Keep a focus on your breathing and make sure your heart rate kind of settles down in between so you're ready to give your best. Okay, high knees, people. Let's get started. I am slowing down a bit, but not stopping. Okay, let's calm down for a bit. Even if you're tired, the point is not to stop. Go slow, go at your pace, but do not stop. Coming up next is leg raises, and I'm going to get into the position now. Keep your hands by your hips and raise your legs to a 90-degree angle and bring them back gently. Maintain the core engagement throughout. And we are done. Catching a moment to catch my breath again. And coming up next is mountain climbers. I know we're killing it. Let's wait for 5 seconds, get ready, and we'll begin shortly. Ready? Let's go. I am sweating, and so are you, but that's the aim. Coming up next is our last move, and let's see what that is. I hope your break for 15 seconds is up, and the last move is knee to elbow in the plank form, which is driving your knee forward like this for 45 seconds. Let's get started. I'm done. But I am going to go for 2 more of these rounds to complete a cycle of 3. That will burn approximately 200 to 50 or 300 calories for somebody. The point is that even if you're tired, you lower the intensity, but you do not stop. And it's suitable for anybody, even if you're athletic or an intermediate performer or someone who's just beginning. Just listen to the rhythm of your heart and listen to your body and enjoy this workout. See you later for more.